Earth system. The study of processes that moves energy and materials among the geosphere, hydrosphere, biosphere, and atmosphere. This is the geosphere, hydrosphere, biosphere, and the atmosphere. The biosphere. It includes all living things like animals, plants, and peoples. Life on Earth exists in even the most unexpected places, including inside rocks on and below the Earth's surface, beneath oceans and polar ice, and even floating in the air.
Contributors on understanding the biosphere. Edward Seuss. He was the first geologist who used the word biosphere. He combined the bio, meaning life, and sphere, referencing the round Earth, to describe the part of the Earth that supported life. He invented the word because he felt it was important to understand that life is a whole rather than singing out particular organisms. James Ephraim Lovelock is an independent scientist, environmentalist, and futurist who lives in Devon, England. He is known for proposing the H.O.Y hypothesis. H.O.Y hypothesis proposed that all organisms and their inorganic surroundings on Earth are closely integrated to form a single and self-regulating complex system, maintaining the conditions for life on the planet. Vladimir Vernadsky. He made the concept of the noosphere more familiar. He said that there is a certain succession by which the Earth develops. Geosphere comes first, followed by the biosphere, then comes noosphere, which comprises human consciousness and mental activity. Noosphere. The sphere of human consciousness and mental activity, especially in regard to its influence on the biosphere and its relation to evolution.
Hydrosphere. The hydrosphere is made up of all the water on Earth. 97% of Earth's water is salt water, and 3% is. Contributors on understanding the hydrosphere. Langbane contributed to the growth of scientist hydrology in a number of ways. He was a source of inspiration to many young hydrologists who have since made their own important individuals contributions to the discipline. Paul A. Witherspoon. He was a dynamic and influential leader in hydrologic sciences. Witherspoon had a seminal influence on the development of ideas and methodologies related to the hydrogeology of fractured rocks. The role of a cathode in hydrogeological system and the thermohydrologic and hydromechanical couplings in the geothermal systems and nuclear waste isolation.
Geosphere. Solid Earth, rocks materials on the Earth's surface and in Earth's interior layers. In this unit, we'll be concentrating only on the pedosphere, which is the outermost soil layer. Contributors on understanding the geosphere. James Hutton. He was a Scottish geologist, physician, chemical manufacturer, naturalist, and experimental agriculturalist. He originated the theory of uniformitarianism, a fundamental principle of geology, which explains the features of the Earth's crust by means of natural process over geologic time. Hutton's work established geology as a proper science, and thus he is often referred to as the father of modern geology. William Strata Smith. Smith was an English geologist. credited with creating the first nationwide geological map. Smith received recognition for his accomplishments and became known as the father of English geology, Charles Robert Darwin. Known for his contributions to the science of evolution, Darwin published his theory of evolution with compelling evidence in his 1859 book on the origin of species. Darwin's scientific discovery is the unifying theory of the life sciences, explaining the diversity of life, atmosphere, the blanket of gas that surrounds the entire planet and extends to the edge of space. The atmosphere includes air, precipitation, clouds, and atmospheric aerosols, tiny particles suspended in the air. Contributors on understanding the atmosphere. Kevin Anderson. Kevin Anderson is the Deputy Director of the Tyndall Center for Climate Change Research. Professor Anderson has been a contributor to many climate conferences, including the Degrees and Beyond International Climate Conference in 2009. Wayne Allen is an American geologist. He has made outstanding contributions to the study of ice, its interactions with the landscape, and its link to climate.